Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Realme 10, and now I can show you how to improve battery life on this device. Okay, so how to improve battery life? To improve battery life in your device, firstly you need to disable all unused features, all unnecessary running services. To do that, just open the quick access panel, your control panel, and let's take a closer look at all the items. If you are not using Wi-Fi right now, but only using the mobile network, then disable the Wi-Fi and that's it. If you are only using Wi-Fi but not using the mobile network, then disable mobile network. This will save your battery power as the phone will not search for unused networks. If you have a choice of using the mobile network or Wi-Fi, I suggest to use Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi uses less battery power. Next, pay attention to Bluetooth. When the Bluetooth is enabled and you are not using it, you are not connected to your Bluetooth headphones or feed tracker, so at every moment, at every second, Bluetooth service is searching for new nearby devices. In every moment, temporary. So if you don't want to lose your battery power, just disable Bluetooth. Great. So the next aspect that can reduce your battery life is the location services. As you can see, Android doesn't have location services in control panel by default, so you need to add it to your control panel. So just click on the pencil button, scroll down, find location, and drag it to upper part of your screen, and here you will see location now. And just disable it. Click close, and great. Now our device is not searching for location, and it's not reducing the battery power. Okay, the next step is to enable power saving mode. You can do it by clicking on this button in your control panel or just open settings, find the battery here, and here you will see battery saver and enable it. Great, battery saver is successfully enabled. In this mode, your phone uses less RAM, less temporary memory, which means less battery power. In addition, power saving mode reduces the runtime when the screen is on, and the brightness of the screen is also reduced. Disable battery saver, and of course here we have ultra saving mode. So just enable it, click OK, wait a while, and as you can see now we're in ultra saving mode. As you can see, in this mode we have a limited number of applications available to use, and you can add, of course, up 3 more applications. Up 3 more by clicking the plus icon, but I don't recommend doing this as adding power hungry applications, because power hungry applications make super power saving mode useless. In super power saving mode, your phone will last much longer on a single charge that it would have in normal mode and in saver mode. If you want to exit the ultra saver mode, just click on exit button on the right top corner and click OK. Great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.